Are the old homemade cradles that they used to just put the babies in. This was pretty much like a bed. Look at that, just made with layers and layers of blankets. Here we have a very old doll. There you go. There you go. And then over there you have some of the old chests. Or in the antique shop where you can come and visit and see what they have on display. It's a beautiful walk down memory lane for a lot of the older senior citizens. Yeah, this used to be a Hulk chest. Look at that.